Hello everyone, welcome to our very first NECEF science experiment tutorial. Today we have Sophie Yang demonstrating how to make a lava lamp.
Hi everyone. So as you can see, I have all the materials laid out in front of me. So the first material you'll need is some oil. Vegetable oil or grapeseed oil both work. The second material is baking soda. As you can see, we've already measured it out. Here we have about half a teaspoon of baking soda. The third material you will need is a clear container. Here we have a glass jar, but you can also use a plastic water bottle. We have some white vinegar here. We've already added about 12 drops of food coloring. And here we have some water. This is just a mixing tool to help you stir the materials.
Okay, so our very first step is first unscrew the cap to the container. And now you're gonna add in the oil. So we're gonna add oil up to around 1/3 of the way. Like so. You can see it's only about 1/3. And the next step is to now pour in the vinegar. So as you can see, the oil is actually floating on top while the vinegar is still on the bottom. And that is because vinegar has a higher density than oil, so it'll sink to the bottom while oil can stay floating on top. If you mix it up, you can see that they're not mixing together. Okay, so now that you've added your food coloring, your vinegar, and your oil, the very next step is to put in the baking soda that you've already measured out into the water. Okay, now you're gonna want to stir it up a little bit and stir it so that the water's no longer clear and it's kind of murky. Okay. And now you can pour it in to the jar. You can see that it's already bubbling when we add it. Okay, to show you guys the chemical reaction, again, we're gonna add in a little more baking soda. As you can see, it's starting to fizz up and bubble. This occurs because baking soda is a base, which means it has a higher pH, while vinegar is an acid, so it has a lower pH. And mixed together, they create a chemical reaction.
Thank you for joining us for our first NECEF science experiment. If you try out this experiment, make sure you send us some pictures to be featured on our social media. We hope that you will join us again for our next science experiment.